In my previous video, the tiramisu war with Bilka Food was officially launched, and my response was brutal. Dubai-style pistachio tiramisu. But the preparation took a long time. I saved the tasting for a second part. And you weren't happy? Or the pub? Let me introduce you to the best tiramisu in the world. But calm down anyway. Bilka Food, the competition doesn't exist, bro. What I just did is crazy. Vote in the comments. Who do you think makes the best tiramisu? I'm not influencing you, it's up to you. You vote. Taste test. No, tasting. It's so good. Oh, for every after, I'm sorry for stripping myself. It's so good. It's... Smooth and creamy, sweet with that delicious pistachio flavor, crispy with that amazing nafe. Subtitles by Jeremy Diaz. No to violence.